Hi, this is Ross with Protect Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Zephyr Hills. We're at a new development and we're putting in a 2-car epoxy floor, full chip with baseboards. So this is not finished yet. We still have to put the floor in and smooth these chips down a little bit more. But we did put in a trim. We're going to finish up with the floor today. So we sanded and filled these expansion joints to give it a nice seamless surface. Okay, we're all finished. 2-car garage, full check with baseboards. Looks real good. This garage was actually a bear to grind. They had a really tight trowel on here. We had to break through that top, that cream. And we spent a little bit of time doing that. And everything looks good. We got down the white concrete profile just the way it should be, except the epoxy. So we're in Zephyr Hills, 2-car garage with baseboard, and this color is Domino. We just finished top coating with aliphatic urethane, which is UV stable. As you can see, we got a really nice edge here. And you can see the color of the chips. So this customer painted their walls dark. So it looks really good with the neutral color Domino. Looks good. Thanks for watching.